The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kasorkar kan satay sa Pratali ki 5-star hotel, Hakajilla. Kata ha Shillong Umiam Sohra New Shillong bat Tura. Ya kanila jubab do menteri katanat tourism Timothy di Shira, ya ka jingkali lawan radu MLA ke NPP nak harkota konstituensi uruput momen. Menteri Sarkar lo jubab ru bahadu menta kidang dondang arteli ki 5-star hotel ha Shillong. Uruput momen ulawan ru ya ka jingkali bakat no ka jingmi bak Sarkar jela kayo lum nak katanat tourism nadu usnam araja arpuar hadu araja upusan. Payakani Menteri Ula Jubab baka Sarkar kadang lum jingkhen. Menteri rang baka jela konrat ki sangma Ula Jubab bagi dandu shibun ki projek jang tourism ki baka jing pentrei kadang ya syat-syat.
And Minister in charge to reply, please.
Speaker, sir, reply to question number 57. A. Sir, the total number of 5-star hotel currently operating in the state is 2 in number. Both are in Shillong. B, sir. 8. The proposed location are in Shillong, Umiam, Sohra, New Shillong and Tura. C, sir, as per statement placed on the table of the House. D, sir, information is being collected. But if the questioner wants me to read out the names of the proposed constructions of proposed 8 number of new 5-star hotel, I can read it out.
You can read.
Lay on the table of the House, sir.
Okay, your supplementary, please.
Sir, thank you, Speaker, sir, and thank you, Mr. In charge tourism for his laborious and scripted the number C and laying on the table of the House. Sir, number C, there are so many construction is going on, but I want to know Shillong Fig ropeway, what is the status of this very important project?
Shillong ropeway construction is in the progress.
Sir, I'll just supplement. The project is going on as of now, sir. Its construction is going on. It's a 151 crore project, and 36 months is the time of completion of this project. We started and initiated this project in the month of February 2025. We expect that, as per schedule, sir, the project should be completed in February 2028.
Sir, my not a supplementary question. Sir, Shillong is the hill station of the region, and there are so many tourists are coming. So my question is that we from Shillong or Meghalaya, is there any institution to train up our people to have some receptionists and hospitality in the region? Is there any institution to train up the hospitality to the tourists?
Sir, I'll just supplement because this is to do with skills. Sir, under the skills program, which is the Meghalaya Skills mission that we have, sir, we have close to about 150 plus different agencies, again local agencies, sir, that are conducting different trainings. And I can also share with you, sir, that in the last 3 financial years, almost 6,196 people have been trained under this skilling program. And in fact, we have 2,186 who are being trained as we speak, but total 6,196 have been trained. And there are multiple agencies which have been certified by Government of Meghalaya through the skills department, the Labour and Skills Department, under the MSSDS, and they are giving the necessary training to the youth of our state for tourism, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thank our Honourable Chief Minister for his elaborate answer. Thank you.
Having seen the list of the projects taken up as per the reply at 57C, I would like to also know from the Minister in charge as to whether the proper mapping of the important potential tourist spot across the state has been done after exhaustive due diligence. Because last session also I have referred to this. Quite a number of important tourist spots which probably are not known by the tourist officers themselves. I've talked about that Shillong Abri in East Garo Hills. I've talked about that Sekwari and many other natural water bodies where we have those endangered species, the tortoise. So there are lots of work yet to be done. So may I, if this has not been done yet, get a categorical assurance from the government that this will be done and proper mapping is required so that we can create a circuit. In fact, we have talked about that from East Garo Hills to South Garo Hills through across Memanram Abri by the side of that road to connect that, create that circuit. So all these things are there. So may I get a categorical assurance from the government that this will be done at the earliest?
Speaker, sir, many new projects from Garo Hills are yet to be taken up. And these new projects has not been shortlisted. But there are many applications, there are many projects proposed, but these proposed projects are yet to be shortlisted.
Mr. Speaker, I'll supplement, sir. Sir, the Honourable Minister has already explained that many projects are in the pipeline, which is true, sir, which are not part of this list of 144 that are going on. But to answer the question that the Honourable LO has asked, that the mapping has been done, sir. So we have mapped, and it is based on this mapping only that these 144 projects were taken up, and the new projects that are coming up are being taken up. So there is, but it's an ongoing process. One has to remember, because again, it's a question of how one sees a potential in an area. So therefore, these things keep coming up. And therefore, we are continuously adding the names. We are continuously, mapping more and more locations, because, as I said, our state is really beautiful, and there's so many hidden gems that many people don't know. So we have done an exercise, sir. It's only on the basis of that exercise that we created this whole system, the circuits, and the homestays. Now, for example, so the homestays that we're giving, we have, if people who have applied for it will know, that this is in a cluster form. And why is it in a cluster form is because not every block is in that homestay scheme. And the reason it is not there in the homestay scheme is because of this mapping. After we did the mapping, we said that, well, this block has got more potential, and hence the chances of the homestay to actually be successful is more in these clusters, because, as you know, the homestay scheme has component of loan also in it. So therefore, they have to ensure that they earn money. So we did this mapping. Based on this mapping only, homestay scheme has been approved, and we have been giving money only to those clusters as of now. And for that also, if there are proposals that come in from people saying that no, our district, our block, our area also has potential, please include. Then we again map it, again study, and we say, if we come to conclusion that yes, it's true, we include that in that. So that's an ongoing process, sir. But we have to go in a planned way. If we just go randomly and just start putting one project here, one project there, and there is no coordination, no synchronization, and no planning, then obviously the outcome will not be as productive as we would want it. So to answer in short, sir, the mapping has been done. It's an ongoing process, and I would be very happy if honorable members can also give their inputs to the Tourism Department from their side in their particular constituencies also.
Mr. Speaker, sir, precisely, I would like to thank the Honorable CM for further enlightening. But the moot question is, yes, we should not go piecemeal. It should not be that, okay, one mapping has been done, that's why it itself suffice. It is not. Because there are many, as I have said, many of these hidden treasures, the potential tourist spots, are yet to be known by the department itself. That's why the mapping is required in a planned manner. So I hope this assurance is given fruition by the government. But at the same time, I would like to put one more supplementary, rather it's a area of concern pertaining to this scheme indicated in the statement at serial number 6, Shillong Peak Ropeway. Now this ropeway under consideration, and already I believe it is in the process of implementation. I don't know the status, but whether before the project has been taken up, whether any environment impact assessment has been done, and if so, the details thereof.
Sir, the project is going on, as mentioned, and this is a project that has been funded under the gap funding, as I said, has been done under the PM Divine, and so the project and projects like these cannot be done without doing the environment impact assessments. All of those things have been done multiple times, and we have looked into multiple aspects of it. I don't have the report. I'm sure both of us don't have the report of exact, because there were 144 projects. So we did not bring all the reports of all the projects that are there. But I'll be happy to make the information available to the Honorable LO if you so desires. But we don't have it, sir, but it was done. It is a part and a mandate of any of the large projects. In all these projects, we have to have the social impact assessments, the environmental impact assessments, all have to be done, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why I have put this supplementary is because we understand that in order to ensure eligibility of funding, we may be doing all this exercise, but it has to be done with utmost sincerity and keeping in mind the real impact. Now, we talk about all those scientific interpretation of various pandemic, various viruses, how they have been displaced and disturbed and have become a challenge for the health, whether it is COVID or any other disease. Now, there are lots of impact in as far as environment is concerned. It's not only the tree. It revolves around the whole biodiversity. So whether this environment impact assessment has been done in such a manner that it has taken cognizance of all this perspective, including the impact on wildlife, including impact on the flora and fauna, because this is a very important concern of the people. In fact, people have been asking me, and I'm not aware of any public hearing or anything. I don't know whether it was done properly or not. So I think we should have a complete clarity on this. The findings of the environment impact assessment, and it has not been done properly, how we would like to address those environmental concerns.
Sir, basically there are norms that are set by Government of India on projects like these. So for ropeway and projects like these throughout the country, the procedure has been prescribed. For example, public hearings, sir, it has to be done. It was done. And then there are certain criteria, whether it's a forest clearance, whether it's different aspects. So whatever, so I just want to give it in a nutshell. Whatever prescribed norms that were put in by Government of India for ropeway projects which are done throughout the country, we have followed every single process that is required. So forest clearances have been approved, have been taken, the public hearing has been done, and all the other, I don't have all the list with me, sir, but all I can tell you is that they're very strict about this, and whatever they have asked and whatever needs to be done as per the guidelines and the rules of Government of India, those have been done, whatever is required for a ropeway project, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it will be in the fitness of things that in view of this concern, on behalf of the people of the state, let the details be made available to us so that we will be able to scrutinize and then take people on board.
Yes, sir. But, sir, again, I repeat myself, there are certain things that are required, certain things which are not mentioned. So there could be things which are not mentioned, and then suddenly somebody may say, well, why wasn't this done? So I just want to clarify now itself that we can easily provide the guidelines and the steps that are required to be done as per the procedure and the steps that are taken by us to complete those exercises. So I just want to make that also very clear, so that we have gone as per the guidance and rules and direction of the rules that are required for the ropeway project.
Kata bagi smart card samia sangka.
Senyap kan ada MSIS. Ma.
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sortar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi konfi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Kalau dah pi dengan smart card, dah sampai cau.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni konfi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามต่อครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะกันฮับไลโอเปอเรชั่นนี้แต่ว่าพี่MHIS cardพี่และนี่ก็สมาร์ทการ์ดแต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
รีนักปากมันแหละอยู่ไปสาวสมาเนี่ยคนอาบรรดาในเสียอยู่สมาเขาเลยสิบนนะขัดเอาเหี้ยละตัวประชังเขาฟูนี่ละ
ini kan kamu ada smart card.
Oh, kan teh. Aku dah sibuk. Mau.